Alright guys, the next morning, got an appointment at 8:30. Got about 20 minutes to get there. Gonna head over there now. Big changes for the C55. This is what we got so far. Gonna weld it up now. Alright, should be able to see what's going on now. So we put the flange on here so I can basically swap this out whenever I want to. And then you guys will see what we build for the alternate route. Perfect. Yeah, it looks good. Alright guys, don't mind the shaky video, but I wanted to get at least something for you guys as I'm driving home. Man, this thing sounds good. Perfect, like not too loud, it's not drony because I still have the resonator in there. Man, it sounds super good. I'll do a little rip, a couple rips as we go home. A couple downshifts. Man, this thing is sweet. Man, it runs good. I've had this idea forever, to be honest. I'm super happy that I finally pulled the trigger and did it. Let's see with the windows up. Man, this sounds good. Not annoying, like perfect. And with these Super 10 muffler, those style mufflers, the single chamber, they tend to kind of break in over time, and they kind of sound better and better as they get, you know, worn in and kind of coated with the carbon and everything that comes out when you're going through the exhaust. So they kind of just sound better and better as you go. And I think with that little titanium downpipe, it's just, you know, reverberating off the ground, and I don't know, man, sounds good. I studied what combo I wanted to put pieces together and how I wanted to do it for a long time. I was like, really took my time to see how I wanted to do it, just because I've had my experience with, you know, going through exhaust systems and then like trying to go for something and then having to change it up, come back, change it again. I went through that with my first, the W202, and you know, I got it to a point where it sounded really, really good using the Super 10 muffler and some different baffles and resonator, but you know, it took me a couple of trial and errors of trying to figure it out. So with this one, I kind of knew what to expect, and I'm glad. I feel like I executed it properly first time through. So you know, great things take time. Man, so happy with this. Sounds so dope. Sounds super unique. Looks super unique now with the little titanium turn down and the single muffler on a C55. People are gonna be curious, like, what the heck is that? Man, so impressed. A little downshift from third to second. Half throttle. I'm sorry this camera's bouncing around like crazy. It has my cell phone mount, but I haven't exactly positioned it into the best spot. So, phew. So I don't know about you guys, but every time I have had like exhaust work done, it's like you have that excitement of when you leave, but it's also like a little bit nervous, like, did I do the right thing, or like, is this gonna sound okay? Am I gonna be okay with this long term? But I can tell right away, like, yeah, this is the one. With the M55, when I did it, I still need to upload the video for that, but when I deleted the resonator on the ML55, when I first drove away, like, it sounded good. Then the first couple days when it was breaking in, I was like, oh man, is this too harsh? Because there was a lot of not tinny noises, but you know, you could hear it slapping because it's coating the metal basically with all the carbon and everything that's going to go through there as it passes through. So it took a couple days to break in, and then after that I was like, oh man, this sounds super good. So with this thing, it already sounds good. I don't even need any break-in time, but I'm sure it'll sound better and better as it does kind of mold together a little bit. Okay, let's get a little launch. ESP off. Lit up the tires for you guys right there. That was fun. Gotta save the tires though, you know? Put that ESP back on. Oh man, this is fun. Good times. Anyways, that's enough driving clips. I'll update you guys and tell you guys exactly what the plan was once I have the car stopped and I can get underneath and explain exactly what I did. All right, until then, see you in a bit. What's up, guys? Just put the truck to use. Got the stock half in the back. I'm gonna keep that in storage while I'm using the other one. I'm enjoying the other one too much to even put that one back on for now. So, but that's the cool part about the way I did it, is I can put that back on whenever I want to, and it'll be back to stock. So, yeah. But SUV came in handy. First time I've used the folding seats. Clutch. You guys can get an idea of what was done. Have the V-band clamp over there. It's welded to the Flowmaster Super 10 imitator, and then welded over to the titanium downpipe. Looks really good, man. Super happy with it. Little side view, inconspicuous, nothing crazy. I like it. Something different, man. Unique. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up. There it is. Looking nice and neat. Very happy with this. What do you think, buddy? Looks good? Maze likes it. Yeah. Yeah.